Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n dx. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. The next one, the integration of a to the power of s dx. We have a to the power of s over ln a, and I will put about c. So this one we can write into s to the power of negative 1 over 5, because this one you got about s to the power of 1 over 5. If you want to put this one go to numerator, we need to have the negative sign in here, and that's why we have this one. The square root of s, we have s to the power of 1 over 2. This one I can put into 7 to the power of 2 and 7 to the power of s, and this one we have 49. Now we can apply two formulas in here, and we have the final answer. So this one we have 4 over 5. We have 4 over 5. This one we have 3 over 2. And we have 3 over 2. This one we have 8 and 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.